uMabusi entabeni uhlangane noMzobe omholele esigodleni la afuna khona atake over umsebenzi wobungoma. MaMzobe is ready to show her family la kukhona khona Izikhwama kanti uNdlovu ufuna uSibahle abuyele kwaMthembu ayogana umkhululi wamaJudiya. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 15th to the 28th of April 2024 on Monday. Mabusi's choice to turn away a sinkly woman spiral into a haunting regret. A plea unheaded, a shadow cast in her refusal's wake. A deepening mystery unfold on Tuesday. The police have bad news for the Mthembus while MaMzobe's mental state deteriorates to alarming levels. A young couple returns from globetrotting on Wednesday. MaMzobe's mind plays games on her, much to Tifa's worry, and Menga proved just how special Nobuntu is to him on Thursday. Mzobe shows Mabusi what he is capable of. Menga's father reaches a boiling point and gives him an ultimatum on Friday. Izikhwama dribbles MaMzobe so hard that she's forced to raise a white flag. Zamcolo comes to his wife's aid. Two young lovers takes their relationship to the next level. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.